Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Grade 9th, subject biology, unit number 3, that includes chapter number 7 and 8. In this video, we will learn about the chapter number 7, that is bioenergetics, and this is the part 1. Now move towards the concept web of this chapter. In bioenergetics, our main concern is energy, that how we will get energy. We learn about the energy relationships and energy transformations. Secondly, we will learn about the high energy molecules, that is ATP, adenosine triphosphate, that is cell's energy currency. Next, we will study about the photosynthesis and its main phases, that is light reaction. First phase is light reaction and second phase is dark reactions. Then in this video we will learn about the respiration, that is cellular respiration. It has two main types, that is aerobic respiration and second one is anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration is further divided into two main types, that is alcoholic fermentation and second one is lactic acid fermentation. In this video we will learn four main things. First is energy, then high energy molecules, then photosynthesis and cellular respiration. This is overall concept web of this chapter, chapter number 7. First, we will learn about the energy transformations in the living organisms. Transformation means conversion of energy from one form into another form. So let's start. First, there is a process of photosynthesis by which carbon dioxide molecules is reduced into foodstuff. This foodstuff is metabolized by the living organism to obtain energy. Then these living organisms store some energy in the form of ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate, high energy molecules. Whenever there is a transformation, heat is lost in the environment, then this stored energy is utilized by the living organisms to process all life activities, that is maintenance. Second one is active transport. Then chemical synthesis, means life processes involve the constant flow of energy and the heat is lost in the environment in every transformation. This is overall flow chart of the energy transformations in the living organism, that how energy is converted from one form into another form and how living organism utilize this energy. Now we will learn about the energy molecule, that is ATP. It is also called cell's energy currency. So let's see its structure. Its structure is very much important and it has three main subunits because the ability of ATP to release and store energy is due to its molecular structure. So let's see. It contains the adenine, that is nitrogenous base, and the second thing is ribose sugar, that is 5 carbon carbohydrate, and then phosphate groups. These are the three subunits that form the ATP. This is the main source for the cellular functions in living organisms. So let's see what are the functions performed by the ATP. The first one is synthesis. The synthesis of macromolecule, RNA, DNA, protein. Then it involves in the movement of different molecules, and it is also concerned with the transmission of nerve impulse. So let's see the equations that is very much important for the energy, that how we will get energy from the ATP. The first equation, that how ATP is converted into ADP and there is a release of energy, because there are the covalent bonds between the phosphate groups. So when there is the breakdown of these covalent bonds, so energy is released. This is the second equations. Both equations show that how ATP is utilized for the purpose of energy and it is concerned for the main functions in the cells of living organisms. Photosynthesis. It is important component of the bioenergetics and very much important process, that is anabolic process. So let's see its definition. Photo mean light and synthesis mean formation. Means this is the process in which glucose is synthesized. from carbon dioxide and water molecule in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, that is a pigment, green pigment, and oxygen molecules is released as a byproduct. It is a detailed process and it involves the two main phases that are, let's see its phases. The first one is light reaction. In this, energy molecule is formed and this energy molecule is utilized by the second phase, that is dark reactions. So let's see the summary of photosynthesis. This is the pictorial display of photosynthesis, that how light energy, carbon dioxide and water is utilized for the formation of sugar and oxygen molecule is released as a byproduct. The site of occurrence of photosynthesis is chloroplast in the plants. This is the picture, this is the diagram of the photosynthesis. So let's see some important and key points for the photosynthesis. The first one is, it is an anabolic process. Anabolic process means the formation of larger molecule from smaller molecule. Then the light energy is converted into bond energy, means whenever there is a conversion of light energy into high energy molecules, foodstuff, so energy is stored in bonds of foodstuff. Then it occur in bacteria, all algae and all plants. These form the food by the process of photosynthesis. They contain the chlorophyll and utilize light energy for the formation of food. Then the site of occurrence is chloroplast.